Warning, the following video is only going to have 2 views and a DA fave. Why a DA fave? I have no fucking idea. The guy in this video said so. Well, this is interesting. If you guys have seen my deviation on hypocrisy, link in the description, along with a few other links that are equally as important, check those out first, and then come back here. Anyway, this is important, it's a note, I got on one of my dummy accounts, was a response from this guy named Pip2 or Peepeye the Hypocrisy Man, I don't know, made a note to me about a comment I made, he made. I want to try to make a quick response to it. Anyway, the first 2 parts are about me being aggressive and why. Basically, the reason why is because I confront people, I act obnoxious online, I do not listen to others, and I refuse to change my mind on certain topics. My question is, why is there question marks on both of these parts? No wonder why this is sent through note. Being obnoxious, confronting people, and not listening to stupidity aren't related to the word aggressive. And I don't take in half-baked reasons not to like some bitch or what have you. If you ever gave me a good reason, then maybe I would. Now remember, this was sent through note. If you read his comment, he states that I have no idea what aggressive means. But he sent this through note, probably to keep people from knowing that he does not know what aggressive actually means. So it's something to keep in mind. The third part is a ramble about me being a keyboard warrior and making a big deal about me winning an argument. I hate to remind you, but you white knighted for Angel and hope to best me in an argument. You're no better, Peepeye. Also, it's funny how you say I'm a nitpicker, yet you're the same thing. Not to mention making a bigger deal about me being right than I did, so I best a man in college. The fourth part is a nice blah about this being a waste of time and me being equally at fault for this and me pulling, I guess, a 180. I don't have a superiority complex because, you did the same thing I did, arguing the same way. That flew right over your head. I even said this was a waste of time. Ironically, you wasted it more than myself. I saw the picture. The question is, did you? And I love the part where you admit part of your fault. Your head is only halfway up your ass. Still, call the proctologist. Let me tell you who is more at fault in this situation. You sent the first note. That's 1. And it was to a motherfucking troll. That's 2. Good job, man. You posted a comment on my old Q&A journal. That's 3. To continue it. I responded late because, I figured I wanted to waste your time a little bit later. Ironically, in later time. So, there you go. And you finally crawl here to post a comment knowing I would reply. That's 4. Not to mention, it was on your own free will. Now with the one on my fault, I posted a picture about you. That's 1. And I upload this without sending it to you. That's half. I still kind of did it, but I didn't send it to you, so it's not actually all too bad. For you, that's 4. For me, that's 1.5. Me being equally at fault? I don't think so. And about the whole 2 views, 1 DA fave, I guess it's because I don't whore out my videos. That much. But, you know what? If I can get 2 views and 1 DA fave for doing something, I'll do it. Remember? Would you rather have 1 or none? You be the judge. Lastly, I didn't plan on making this into a video. But you wanted it, and you mentioned it, so here it is. Happy early Christmas. Since Peepeye over here says shit about my life, let me say something about his life. I'm glad that you are apathetic for school. I hope you fail and don't succeed. Whoever sent you to college, whether it was you, your parents, or the school, it was a waste of money. Do they give scholarships to anybody nowadays? You probably want to get your stupidity and hypocrisy degree at the same time when you went. You could have probably gotten them both at the same time as soon as you opened your mouth and started spewing out a bunch of shit. Yes, like that South Park episode. The problem most likely is the fact that you spend your time arguing with a nigga, watching movies, and goofing off, and playing football. Unless you're talking about a textbook, which you are not, you will spend the rest of your life making french fries. How about that? Does that sit well with you? Well, there you go.
I'm so fresh you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh you can suck my nuts. Swag. I'm so fresh you can suck my nuts. 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 Swag. I'm so fresh you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh you can suck my nuts.
Let's see how done you really are.